If you are looking to make your business stand out online because there's thousands and thousands of business, then you definitely need to watch this video because I'm going to be addressing things that you can do in order to make your business stop the scroll, okay? Because we want to stop the scroll, get the likes, get the sale. That's what we're here for. So stay tuned and let's get into the video.
About to leave, already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking, we'll get away.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tumi and I am a owner of a small digital marketing agency, and I also have a couple of businesses on the side. So I am hoping to help everybody that comes onto my channel level up their businesses, level up their side hustles. So if you are here for the wealth building for yourself and your family, then definitely we are getting started now. So point number one that I want to make is that, or you need to apply actually to make your business stand out, is to show your face. There's been times where I visit people's pages and I check out their page and I don't know who's behind the business. Like if I'm just seeing candles, how many businesses are out here selling candles? What makes yours unique? First of all, everybody's story is unique. I am unique. The way that I look is unique. Maybe I look like somebody, but I'm not that somebody. So showing your face is definitely going to make your business stand out. So I know you can be shy and, feel like, oh no, but you know what? Social media was not made for businesses initially. Social media was made for people to connect, whether it's Instagram, it's Facebook, it was made for people to connect. So if you want to connect with people on social media and not have them just ignore your adverts and your business, then definitely show your face, because you also connect with people much quicker and it also creates the trust. So yes, show your face on your social media feed, show your face in videos. Stop being shy. Money is not shy, okay? Money does not wait for somebody who's shy, like, okay, I'll just stack up here and wait until you are ready and I'll just, no, you need to be getting it. And in order to get it, if Instagram says dance and you get money, you dance and you get money. Because that's just how it is. So everybody has fears. I mean, sometimes I listen to my voice and I'm like, how does that sound or anything? But other people might be listening to my voice and think, oh, she's so confident, she's so well-spoken and everything. But it's something that you get comfortable with, because I also struggled a bit with like speaking, putting my thoughts out like now. So I have to like process a little bit. So get comfortable showing your face so that we can know who's behind the brand and support the brand. We're not going to be biased. We just want to know who is behind the brand. Now I wrote the points down, so I'm just gonna, so that I don't edit the video too much, so that every second is like cut. So the second point is that you need to niche down. Bring the business down. So I'm actually in the digital marketing space, but I'm actually this year going to niche down to only serving technology companies, to serving NGOs, and just a couple more. So I'm going to niche them down, because when you niche down, people that go on social media, they might say digital marketing, but if it's an accounting firm and they're specifically looking for social media managers that manage accounting firms, then immediately you're a score, you're hit, because not a lot of people are actually specifying in one thing. It's scary to be specific when it comes to some things, but you definitely want to focus on one niche. For example, if you are in fashion, what type of fashion? You don't want to try and be for everybody. If I say African fashion, then I'm gonna find you because you specify in African fashion. Where else, if you're trying to go too broad, it's like you're competing with the businesses, and a small business really does not have the resources to compete with the big business. So we definitely need to hone down on that. If you sell lip gloss or whatever, what makes your, what niche? If you have only lip glosses, what can you do to make your product a little bit more specific for a certain group, so that in your marketing you can use that specificity? But what I have found is that on my digital marketing, I say it's a consultancy firm, but I still get clients that want me to handle their social media accounts. So I'm not saying I'm a manager. I do social media management, but because I want to be specific in that I'm pushing the consulting side and the training side also to cater to small business and corporate businesses, because most of the time they have in-house people that are already doing their social media marketing. And another thing also, if you niche down, you actually understand that niche better than other people. If you have been managing social media for accountants, you know the lingo already. If you are somebody who caters to, beauty for moms that are stressed and things like that, you know the lingo already, you know the language, you know what they say in order for you to really get your product out there and your message out there. So niche down. And I'm going to put a definition of what a niche is in the description so that you sort of understand what it is and apply it to your business in order to market effectively on a lower budget. If you have a high budget, have tens and thousands of products. Go ahead. So now let's get into the third point. And my third point here is you need to make your added value clear to the customers. Yes. So customers need to immediately see what you are doing different from the other people. I was listening to a podcast recently and they were speaking about how to, this one hotel actually gives out the best cupcakes when you get there. That's something that people are going to be talking about because it's something that is different that other hotels might not be doing. So the client immediately, when they speak to you and they get to your page, they need to see immediately, okay, she's different in this and she's different in that. This is what she offers that other people are not offering. I can give you a little bit of that or an extra this for this or that. So make your business stand out, but also add value. Don't just do what everybody else is doing, because then it's not making you stand out. If you offer something that other people are not, immediately you're going to stand out. So look at your business and look where you can add just that little extra, that extra value. So the next point, actually, I just need to check on something. Once I've told you, no, it's not the next point, actually. It's the next point after this point. So the fourth point is unique branding. If you go onto my page, I'm all about orange. Orange is energy. So know your colors. There's color psychology for a reason. So you need to know your colors and what effect your colors has on your potential clients, on your followers, and all of that. And branding is not just about colors. I'm my own person. I add a unique thing to my business. I'm not the same as other people. So that also needs to come through in your font. So different fonts also, have a different effect on your branding. So if you have a playful font, then it's like, okay, the business, it doesn't take itself seriously. That's why the Coca-Cola sign on the logo does not look the same as DHL that delivers stuff. That's why, even their prints is the same. And something that I need to emphasize for people, that are artistic, is that sometimes you want to change the font, you want to change the colors, but for brand recognition's sake, you need to choose a color, do your research, and then understand and stick to it. Stick to that so that when people see it, they immediately recognize it. Like when you see Coca-Cola, it's red and white. When you see McDonald's, yellow and red. Any brand that you can think of, you already know the colors because they haven't changed their colors a million times. If they do change it, it could be like once, like it's black and red. I think I've seen Coca-Cola with black and white, but it's not often. They're not changing every week. You get what I'm saying? So even the font is not changing every other week. So find what works. Do research on fonts and branding. And that should come through in your email signature. Everything that you do, it must be there. The colors must be there. The font must be there. The feel must be there. So moving on to the point that I was excited about. I'm excited about all of them, but this one I'm excited about because I hope that it really does bring a positive impact in my life and a positive impact in your life. So this one is, you need to be the best. If you are the best, the competition is less. I mean, service, I don't know if in other countries how service is, but service in South Africa is down the dumps. So if you even go to a restaurant and, for example, I was speaking with my husband and I was saying, like, if you go to a restaurant and the waitress actually introduces themselves and waits there and asks for, you know, if you would like drinks, and even saying, oh, if you're ordering this goes nice with this wine. It's like, boo. Nobody does that anymore because people don't try anymore. I know maybe it's like a lack of training or things like that, but it's definitely something to keep in mind. It's better to have like 5 clients, especially if you're in the service industry, 5 clients that pay you well and you serve them well to the best of your abilities, than to have hundreds and then everything is leaking through. People are complaining left, right and center. They're going on Facebook and, you know, because everybody's just trying to get more clients without actually thinking, how are we going to service these clients? How are we going to serve them the best? So you need to, you know, be the best in your industry, and already the competition is like down the drain. So I want to read this quote for you. It's a quote about the street sweeper. So you need to, it's from Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. If a man is called to be a street sweeper, he should sweep the streets even as Michelangelo painted, or Beethoven composed music, or Shakespeare wrote poetry. He should sweep streets so well that all the hosts of heaven and earth will pause to say, here lived a great street sweeper who did his job well. So the little bit that you're doing, you need to be doing it best. If you get too many clients, sometimes we want to get as many clients as possible, but the truth is that if you don't have your systems in place, you're going to lose those clients, and because they're not getting the best from you, and that goes back to that uniqueness as well. So I'm gonna move on to my last point, and I want to hear what you guys think in the comments. So, and please don't forget to subscribe if you're watching, if you're enjoying, because I really want us all to grow together. I want to see the comments. I want to see somebody coming back to me saying, listen, I watched that video of yours and my business is popping. I am making a living. My family is happy. I'm happy, and all of that. So let's move on to the last bit. So I'll do part 2 if you would like. If you want part 2 of how to make your business unique, we can definitely do that in the comments. Please just leave and say, yes, I want part 2, and I will definitely do that. So packaging is another thing, another way that you can set your business apart. If you see a nice bottle, so packaging, there's bottle, there's font, going back to that, there's the label. So the entire, the entire bottle, the way that it's shaped. There's honey in America. I don't even know the name of the brand, but the bottle is a bear, I believe. Yes, it's a bear and it's honey. That I remember. So things like that make your brand unique. So I definitely want to show you guys something. This is hair that I bought online. Yes, upgrade. So this hair, when I got the package, I was like, wow, look at this luxurious packaging. Okay, so if you're gonna charge, you need to include the charges though for packaging. You can't have a luxurious package and then inside the product is not costly. The box costs more than the package, but the uniqueness, I mean, the color is just beautiful, and you open it and it's just wow inside. I mean, look at this, guys. It's beautiful. The texture, be your own style of beauty, you know, find things like that make it unique. inside they put the hair in here, and it's just so beautiful. Gave me a little gift. That's to lay the edges. I still need to watch YouTube videos on how to do that. So I'm not gonna do that today. But yes, they packaged everything so nicely, the instructions. So definitely packaging makes your things stand out. And another thing about packaging also is that YouTubers like to do unboxing, and even influencers on Instagram, they like to do unboxing pages. So they're actually doing the marketing for you, you know, because people get excited when people open things. So if you want to, you know, stand out and have people market your business for you, make sure when they get that thing, they feel special. Now, I had products that stand out already, like crochet is not too popular. It's still unique. So my packaging and my prices were not high. So my packaging was not like, oh, you know, but the product itself, yes, honey. But packaging. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, please follow me on Instagram. I also coach people on social media marketing one-on-one. You can definitely pop me a DM. Please don't just leave the message here. I need the message in my DMs. I'm gonna leave my Instagram handle underneath. I will also leave my email address so you can email me if you would like to work with me one-on-one so we can work on your business. I don't do it for free because this knowledge is costly, honey. All the books I'm buying, the lessons, everything, okay? I am not doing it for free. I do charge, but I'm very reasonable because I do want everybody to grow. I want businesses to grow. So if you need one-on-one coaching, or you or your friend have a business and you need you know, a coach, I also have group coaching options. So pop me that message and let's get your business in the right place. Yes, honey. Thank you so much, and look after yourselves. Yes, friends, look after yourselves. See you in the next video, and don't miss out. Click on that subscribe so you don't miss out. If you're missing out, other people are taking this advice, applying it, and raising their businesses. So yes, goodbye.